The jumper's coming off. Jumper's coming off. What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Vlog. So today for you guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra on the table. It's sitting right there. Right there. And obviously, yeah, when we had the Samsung Galaxy, no, the iPhone 12, we actually did a bend test. So I'm going to be seeing how durable this Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is and to see if it can withstand the bend. But yeah, anyway guys, before I start the video, I just want to say to you guys, the giveaway that I did for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, I did an unboxing. If you want to see that video, just click up there, you can check that video out. But I actually unboxed the phone and I didn't give clear like rules and what you have to do to be able to compete with the giveaway. So I'm gonna be telling you guys that at the end of this video, so yeah, you can go and, you know, do what you have to do so you can be entered for the giveaway. Anyway, without further ado, let's get straight right into it. So, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, fully working, as you can see there, fully working. Boom, fully working. You can see, it's not fake, it's fully working. So yeah, we're gonna just bend it like, I don't know. This is £1,400 phone, well, £1,500 phone nearly. So yeah, we're just gonna try and bend it. I don't know. I never know which way to start to bend. Okay, let's just go with this. I'm just gonna turn the screen on. Well, first of all, it's durable because I'm pressing on the screen to bend it, and I'm not seeing any screen tearing or anything like that. So let me just give you guys an example. So when I press hard on the screen, you can't really see any dead pixels or anything like that, which is good. But bending it, there is a bit of flex. Obviously, the way the phone has been shaped, the oval shape of the phone. So there is a little bit of flex. The iPhone 12 had a box shape, so there was no flex at all. But this one is flex, but it's holding well. And then the screen is actually flexing as well. I don't know if you can see that, but let me try this way. No, I can't see it, but with my thumb, I can feel the screen kind of flexing, and I think that's got to do with the screen that they actually use on this devices. So the S Pen, the S Stylus actually works on it. So I think that's why there's a little bit of flex on the screen. It's actually like soft. It's like spongy, but you got to proper put your strength in it to feel that sponginess. But yeah, anyway, let's try bending it backwards. It's not bending. Like I said, there's flex, but there's just no bend. There's flex, but there's no like real. There's no real, you know, attempt for it to break or to bend at all. Flipping out. You know what? The jumper's coming off. Jumper's coming off. Okay, fine. Just made the camera come up. You just can't. This phone is like, it's like a rock. Flipping out. The phone manufacturers, companies, or brands are starting to toughen their phone up. That's really starting to toughen it up. Flipping out. That's just not going. That's not going at all. Flipping out. How am I supposed to bend this? How am I supposed to bend this? It's not doing it. Flipping now. It's not doing. It's not bending. It's not flip. I don't know what else to do with this. I'm out of breath. I can't breathe. Whoa, this is tough. This is really tough. Oh my god. What are they making these phones out of? Making out of freaking diamond or something. Oh my god. Oh my days. I can't think of another way to try and bend this phone. Try and rip it. Oh my god. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Oh my days. Well, there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is built like a brick. Absolutely strong device. You can't bend it. You literally cannot bend it. But yeah, that's been your boy. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I was hoping for a bend, at least. I mean, a little bit of kink, but a little bit of flex, but nothing really major. There's no bends at all. The phone is still as flat as nothing. Still straight. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, anyway guys, that's been the video. Like, I can't get it to bend. There's no play at all. It's flat on the desk, nothing. But yeah, the giveaway, obviously I didn't have that much interaction with that video, so I didn't really think it was going to be that big of a deal, because obviously I don't really have a lot of subscribers. So yeah, but yeah, anyway, I want to get that video, the unboxing video on the S21 Ultra, I want to get it up to 1,000 views. So as soon as I get 1,000 views and I get 100 likes on that video, yeah, it's kind of halfway at the moment. 100 likes, 1,000 views, I will pick a winner for the giveaway. But yeah, we need to get the video to 1,000 views, so you guys need to share the video as much as you can so we can get up to 1,000 views. And also we need to get up to 100 likes. And also you need to follow my social media, my Instagram and my Facebook page. You need to follow that, and yeah, you'll be in for the giveaway, and your name can be drawn, and you'll be able to win a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. It won't be this one, it will be another one, because obviously I've just tried to destroy this phone. But yeah, there's going to be more durability tests as well on this phone, drop test, scratch test, all that stuff. So yeah, I can't wait for it. But yeah, anyway guys, without further ado, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smack that like button. Also subscribe. Please like the video. Like it. Like it. What are you doing with yourself? Like the video. And yeah, turn on those post notifications, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.